Today we're going to answer the question about why a FleetLine shock absorber doesn't expand when unboxed like gas-charged shocks do. First, let's talk about aeration, which diminishes shock absorber performance, negatively affecting your tire-to-road contact, and also ways it can be minimized. Aeration is a normal occurrence where air bubbles form in the shock oil caused by gas and air mixing inside the shock absorber as it extends and collapses quickly depending on road conditions. Shock absorber manufacturers can minimize aeration in different ways, including superior valving technology, fluid type, or by inserting a gas charge into the shock absorber. To reduce aeration, some of our competitors add gas pressure into the shock after assembly. This pressurizes the inside, and the added pressure is what causes the shock to extend when unboxed. Since Gabriel's proprietary valving system does an exceptional job of reducing aeration, gas charging is not needed. Since our shocks are not pressurized, they don't extend when taken out of the box. Although one aeration management method isn't automatically better than another, let's take a look at this fade test and see whose shock performs best. As you can see, Gabriel FleetLine heavy-duty shock absorbers offer 20% better anti-fade performance than that of our competitors. So, the next time you unbox a Gabriel FleetLine shock and it doesn't expand like gas-charged shocks do, you will know that the shock's behavior after unboxing has nothing to do with the exceptional performance your vehicle will receive with Gabriel FleetLine. Also, this is a good time to note that Gabriel heavy-duty shocks are all self-priming once installed, so manual priming is not necessary. However, if you would like to manually prime anyway, here are a couple short steps on how to do it. Step 1. Hold the shock vertically with the engraved arrow pointing up. Step 2. Fully compress the shock, then fully extend the shock. And step 3. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Thank you for joining us today and learning why Gabriel FleetLine shocks are the superior choice for your fleet. If you have any technical questions, please call us toll-free at 800-999-3903.